Hey everyone, keeping Vent up to date is the best way to get new features, better compatibility, and important bug fixes. Updating Ventoy is usually quick, and in most cases, you can update the Ventoy software on your USB drive without removing your existing ISO files. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to update Ventoy step by step, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Ventoy website or its GitHub releases page. Download the latest version for your operating system and save the zip file to your computer. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file and open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll find the latest Vent application that you'll use to update your USB drive. Now connect the USB drive that already has Vent installed. Before continuing, it's always a good idea to back up any important files stored on the drive, even though the update process is generally designed to preserve your existing ISO files. Launch the new Ventoy application. It should detect that Ventoy is already installed on the selected USB drive. Instead of showing only the install option, you'll usually see an update option. Click Update, confirm the prompts, and wait for the process to finish. After the update is complete, confirm that the process finished successfully. Your existing ISO files should still be available on the USB drive, allowing you to continue using them without copying everything again. Finally, restart your computer and boot from the Vent USB drive to verify that everything works correctly. Testing the USB after an update is a simple way to make sure your boot menu and ISO files are working as expected, and that's how to update Ventoy. Keeping Vent updated helps ensure better compatibility with newer operating systems and gives you access to the latest improvements while preserving your existing bootable ISO collection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.